There she is, guys. Beautiful bike. For anybody that didn't know, this is the Specialized Tarmac S-Works SL5. This one dates back to 2015, but this one is in immaculate condition. Absolutely perfect bike. So let's go and see how much this bike weighs. Yes, I just brought some new luggage scales to weigh the bike. I'm going to weigh this in kilograms, guys. Zero that. So it's 6.95, guys. Let's zero that. $6.95. 6.95. That's super light, isn't it? Yeah, I'm well pleased with that. It's an absolutely beautiful bike. I just put some new bar tape on the bike. Really nice bar tape. Nice and tacky. Yeah, so I'm still waiting for my faceplate to come so I can install my integrated out front mount. So if you found that interesting, guys, please give us a like and come and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and come and follow my experience and all my trips and adventures on this beautiful speed machine. Right, that's it from me now, guys. Until next time, keep smiling and riding, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.